Hi, and welcome to Business Statistics. My name is Miss Horn, and I will be your instructor. I want to go through a few things to show you how to navigate through our course. This is the home page, and on this page you will find your weekly announcements, which can also be sent to you through your email once you set up your notification settings. So the announcements can be seen, and they'll tell you what to expect each week. Once you have looked over the home page and familiarized yourself with it, you can get started on the modules. So you can click here to start, and the first module that you will complete is your online orientation module. Once you complete the orientation module, you'll be able to view the important course information module. In this module, you will have to view each page and submit the required assignments in order to move on through to Chapter 1. So you will complete the important course information module, and then you'll start on Chapter 1 and view the items in order from the first page on through to the next. As you can see, in the first assignment, you will complete the discussion. In each chapter module, there will be a lecture, video resources. These are videos that I made to help you understand the concepts, and then you will have a homework assignment in my stat lab. And once you complete your homework assignment, you will be through with that module. And one thing that I highly recommend that you really look over carefully is the advice from last semester students. These students have made a letter to all of you, giving you advice on how to be successful in this course. And to schedule your Proctors test, you will click on Smarter Proctoring to schedule those. I highly recommend you to go ahead and schedule those. You can take those in a proctoring lab or virtually. You'll have to pay a fee if you choose the virtual option. But please read over the requirements in the lab to make sure that you understand what you will need and what will be required of you when you take your proctor test. And that is pretty much the introduction to how to get started and how to navigate through the course. One more thing, here's the bookshelf. This is where your e-text is. So if you click on bookshelf, your book will pop up and it's free, or let's just say it's included in the course. You probably paid a fee in order to have access to it. And here's the table of contents, and you can navigate through the e-text by clicking on the table of contents, and it will show you each chapter and each section in each chapter. And that is pretty much it. If you have any questions, you can see that my Google Voice number is on the home page, so feel free to text me or message me, and I will be glad to answer any questions that you may have. I hope you all have a great first week.